Hello everybody, I'm Mo and I've lost over 140 pounds in under 6 months just by consuming the right ingredients and understanding my body's macros and how my insulin responses to food. And so have hundreds of our clients. So that means you can too. And in this video today, we're going to talk about how weight loss in itself can actually help you reduce inflammation. And more importantly, I'm going to teach you how to learn how a low carb diet or a weight loss approach will improve your health and fight chronic long-term conditions. So let's get right into it today. Now, first thing to fully understand, and it's the worst news I can tell you, people don't like hearing it, but it's so true. Carbohydrates within themselves, as in a sugar, a starch, cause and trigger inflammation. And inflammation is the core problem for a lot of our chronic long-term diseases. And people don't want to hear that. And the only reason they don't want to hear that is because carbohydrates and sugar are ingrained within our society. Right now, there is nowhere in America that is not built without those things that you can go that is not going to have them. Every grocery store is more than 90-something% full of processed junk. And that is just because of the way that our society functions economically. You can be the change of that within yourself if you're interested. You want to lose the weight, you want to help your future. This is a really, really good way to start. Now, the first thing to understand is the reason they trigger the inflammation is because they cause your body to be in a hormonal imbalance. And when you're in a hormonal imbalance and consistently having these sugar highs and lows, it is difficult for a person's body not to gain chronic disease in the long run, but more importantly, it is very, very, very difficult because your body is consistently inflamed. The carbohydrates basically and the sugar are then held within your body, and as they are held, they also hold water. That's why a lot of times when you start a weight loss journey and do use the low carb approach, you lose weight very quickly at first, and you have to know how to continue doing it, which is why we do these videos. So please watch, make sure you're subscribed, but you're going to lose the weight quickly at first because of the water loss. And that's because carbohydrates stop holding water when they're gone. Once you remove the carbs, the carbohydrates within the muscles are now not holding liquid. So you lose that water weight. And the water weight is actually the freaking inflammation. That is what's causing the issue within the body. Your body is always squeezed. And that is so difficult for it to be in autophagy or be able to heal itself even, because that is a fundamental problem that needs to be solved. So carbohydrates and sugar stored within the body that are excess cause your body to retain more water, which entail trigger inflammation. And that is the core problem that we do not seem to understand as a society or try to solve, because sugar and carbohydrates do taste delicious, but there are so many smart ways to do it. I do have a recipe book. I linked it below. This is actually what we use on our clients in Paradise or with our online coaching. So please understand, if we can do it, you can do it too. And let's help get thousands of lives to shed millions of pounds together. Now, the reason you want to lower the carbohydrates and the sugar is mainly to reduce the inflammation, since we just broke down how inflammation is created. Now, by reducing the carbohydrates and the sugar intake as low as possible, preferably zero, depending on who you are and your lifestyle, then you're going to let the body cleanse out the held up carbohydrates and the liquid, and then it will not be in an inflamed state, right? And that's the first step towards clean, healthy living. Now, there are so many people that we have done this with, and no matter how big they were, the minute the inflammation was gone, we would start seeing the biohealth markers increase tremendously. Remember, if you do this with us, we give you a smart scale. Whether you're doing this by yourself, at least get yourself a smart scale. You need to know the statistics of what your body is doing, and you need to know the data to be able to determine your next steps in your health journey. Now, my favorite thing to see is when the inflammation goes away with the clients, and then we start noticing the person's body start decreasing their metabolic age. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about all these YouTubers and online stars that are trying to go backwards in their age. And what doesn't make sense to me is, are they using a metabolic scale to check that? Because it blows my mind that when I'm consuming healthy and our customers are consuming healthy and we're watching it occur right in front of our eyes, their metabolic age goes backwards. Does that mean that they're getting younger? That's a damn good question that I'm always wondering. Or does it just mean that we're getting healthier so we have a chance at living longer? right? Those are really, really good questions. Comment below what you think. I really want to hear your thoughts and opinions. If you are doing this and you're losing weight, please let us know. Remember, the goal is to help thousands of people shed millions of pounds, right? We are now offering you a chance to enter for a free monthly coaching or a free retreat, and we will do the drawing once a month. You can also enter once a month by using the link below. We'll see you in paradise, and we'll see you on the other side of your weight loss journey. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll catch you on the next one. Please get started on your weight loss journey. If you're overweight, you do not need to be. Please subscribe, watch the videos, take this information, and use it to your advantage. Thank you so much for watching.